The city of Green Bay asking a Brown County judge to throw out the civil lawsuit filed over the bidding of a city project. It answered the lawsuit today, saying it complied with Wisconsin statutes and law. Myron Construction, a Fox Cities-based construction company, suing to stop the city from awarding a contract to another company, claiming that bid was incomplete and could violate state law. It concerns a public works contract for the construction of a new pavilion and associated site improvements at Light Memorial Park, and that the city indicated it would award to 8 Pine Inc. out of Shawano. A Brown County judge issued an injunction in the case in December, barring the city from doing that. There is a court hearing in the case on January 23rd.